How do you feel now?
Yeah, I need a glass of water. I feel like it was a journey inside my body.
Absolutely, yeah. It was
My,
a journey inside your
in
body.
my stomach, and I don't know.
Well, you're kind of being rearranged too, like reconfigured, because you now allowed yourself to be the child of your father. This is very important. I just noticed something. The person that you want to be, you're all holding each other. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 siblings.
Wow.
How does that feel when I say that?
Expansive.
There's a completeness that you're complete here. Does that resonate with you at all when I say that?
Absolutely. There's no loneliness.
There's no loneliness, yeah. So you were in this very intense relationship. The person sexually dominated you. You wanted to respond in a way where you wanted to take your power back. In order to exert power over him, you became dominating.
Right.
And it feels really low vibrational. It feels very dark.
Yes, very dark, very dark.
Yeah. And then you realize that really wasn't serving you.
No, yeah, it wasn't serving me, it wasn't serving him.
And it could be your grandfather's experience that passed on to your dad.
Yeah, that feels resonant.
Like if your grandfather lost anyone, or if anyone died tragically.
Yeah, my grandfather was in the Korean War, so I don't think he was on the front lines fighting, but still in the midst of a lot of the violence. I feel like he's just kind of nodding in agreement, and it's like he's tired of fighting too.